Well, your weekend weather outlook looks rather decent across much of Japan, Korea, even northern China here. There are some areas, though, that are going to be getting some foul weather. We're talking about there in northern Luzon, southeastern China, even northern Japan here on Friday, although that will be tapering off throughout the evening hours, but still the risk of some thunderstorm activity off towards the north, and really hot weather across much of the southern Philippines, even over towards Thailand. We are seeing some thunderstorms around Cambodia, but let's first start into the north. We're actually talking about this weak low pressure area pushing across northern Japan. We can see it right here. It's about 1,000 HPA, not an intense system, but what it is doing, it's fueling off some warm air down here towards the south, and there is some cold air coming in with it, so we're seeing a mixing of the atmosphere, which is causing just enough instability where I do believe there's going to be some thunderstorm activity along the west coast of northern Honshu, Hokkiodo, even Sapporo. You could see some thunderstorms today, but as this pushes over the mountains, it is going to pick up some moisture out of the Kuroshio current in northern Kanto region. That's the northern portions of Tokyo. You're very well going to see some thunderstorm activity through the afternoon and the evening hours here as this pushes overhead. Good news, by Saturday, this high pressure that is bringing all these sunny skies farther towards the west, that's going to push off towards the east. Same, very high above average temperatures in central and eastern China. And also, we're looking at that stationary boundary down here towards the south. Well, what that is doing, it's pulling in moisture out of the southeast, fueling in with that warm air, and we're even seeing some thunderstorm activity around Hong Kong throughout the day here on Friday. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you do have any plans out across the area here. We do have those showers in the north, southeastern China. Like I said, extending down here across Vietnam, Cambodia, northern Thailand. Southern Thailand, on the other hand, not getting really the big dosage of these rain showers here. As we go ahead into the next several days, so Saturday, that front moves off there towards the east, high pressure ridges in, brings some fair weather. This area slowly settles farther towards the south, so by the end of the weekend, you here in southeastern China, you are going to be seeing a little break in the weather. As far as tropical activity, nothing organized down here towards the south. Like I said, northern Luzon, you're going to see some showers throughout the next several days. To the south, though, it remains dry and rather hot. Actually, you could be seeing temperatures climb into the high 30s in some areas around Visayas here. So definitely want to stay cool if you are in this region. And then into Southeastern Asia, talking about the Malaysian Peninsula, specifically Thailand. We actually saw some strong thunderstorms around Kuala Lumpur yesterday. And that continued risk is definitely still going to be here. We have that continued effect of the sea breeze. We don't really have any pulse in the MJO, nothing organized, but it is that time of year where this wet season is going to slowly work its way towards the north. This area of thunderstorms I keep on talking about in Luzon, actually, that's not so much wet season as it is upper level trough, kind of digging a little bit farther there towards the south, interacting with the easterlies and the westerlies. That interaction, well, you could even see some hail still out of that area as it does continue to flow up, specifically through these afternoon and evening hours. But as all for right now, everybody, thanks again for watching here at westernpacificweather.com. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please post them in the comment box down below. Also, click the annotation on the screen. We have a video we released yesterday about the 2012 Typhoon season. I know it's over with, but it's still a really good video to watch. So thanks for watching, though, and stay safe out there.